Hi and welcome to Vicky's Precious Petals. Today we're going to be doing something totally different. I'm going to make some car diffusers. So I've got these little bottles and I've got some little skulls as well. So the lids just come off these. Inside there is like a little cotton plug thing and a little plug in the top, and you just put that back in. When the customer gets it, they just take the plug out, give it a shake, and off they go. So I'll just leave that sitting there for a minute. Okay, I'll just have to close the door, make a sound barrier here. So I have here, this is a diffuser base, and it has a really bad smell, trust me. Do not get this on your clothes, your paintwork, your cabinets. It's the best paint stripper you'll ever come across. So you can just buy, these bottles already made up. So they're a diffuser fragrance, and all you have to do is tip them in. Nothing hard about it at all. But if you're like me and you make candles, I can't be buying, I've got over 40 fragrances in my candles. So I can't be buying 40 of these. That would just be ridiculous. Well, I could if I was a millionaire, but then why am I making candles to sell at the markets? So what we're going to do, this is fragrance oil, okay, which is different to, your essential oils. Essential oils, you only need about 2% if you've got essential oils. And don't bother getting the ones that you buy at your cheap shops to do this with. It's just not very good. Okay, so this one I have here is a Yang Vanilla, which is very popular in my candles. So I'm going to make some of these in there. Now, because I'm using this, I find I need like 50-50. I need 50% of the diffuser base to 50% of this. So we're just going to make one or two and see how we go. So these bottles hold 10 mils. So I need 20 mils all up, which means I only need 10 mils of the diffuser base. Hope everybody's with me on that maths calculation. Okay, so in this little shot glass that we're not going to use as a shot glass later, trust me, I've put in 10 mils. So now I need to add another 10 mils of the fragrance oil. And we'll just see if we've got the ratio right. Or if I can, some fragrances you're going to need more, and others you will need less. So you kind of got to smell it to see how you're going. That diffuser base has a really ugly smell. Okay, we're stirred. I actually think I could do with a tad more. So I'm just going to put a few more drops in, just to, you do have to stir it through, stir it in. There's me little wipe. I do also have these that I use for my resin, but I find when you buy the cheap ones, that diffuser base takes the numbers off straight away. So yeah, and then you can't read anything. Okay, because they're just cheap syringes, and you get, I bought these off Temu, I think. You get your needle part with it, but they're blunt, so you can't go getting them, for your horses or whatever, or your dogs. Okay. Just give it a little bit more. I think when I do the next one, I'm going to use maybe 75 mils fragrance. Okay, that smells better. So what I have here, take that off, just a tiny little thing. I just bought that at the cheap shop. I think they come as a set. Oh, we have an air bubble. Come on. Why is that doing that? Okay. And this is not the best thing to be pouring with. I'm just going to do this. I'm getting it everywhere. Okay. All full. Don't forget to put your little cap back in. And put the lid back on. Just make sure you push that cap down properly. So they don't take very long to make. And you're ready to roll. Unless you're just making them for yourself. So these are just some little boxes that I bought off eBay. They're 6 by 6 centimetres. And they just go like this. Hold the lids down. So with these, when I get that in there, come on, play the game. This just slides in. Come on, slide in, thank you. Like that. Then you have a little base here. And just fold. It keeps the box square. There we go. Now, you do need to put some warning labels on these, because if somebody spills that, I just had it, where did I put it? Yeah. This gets spilt on their furniture and they've got expensive furniture, well, it doesn't matter if it's expensive or not, you're going to find that they're going to be back whinging at you really quick. So I don't put them on the bottom because nobody reads the bottom of the box. I actually put them on the back. So they're quite visible for people to see. Then to make that stay there, I do have sticky dots, which have just eluded me at the moment. I can't find them. They're in one of my magic boxes. So this is just some two-way tape I've got. I had scissors here a minute ago. And now they disappeared. I bet these scissors won't cut it. So I'm just cutting a really small bit of this. Don't need much at all. This is just a thick tape that I've got. Put that bit there for the next one. Oh, come on, get off me. Thank you. I just put that on the bottom. And push it down in the centre and it will sit there. And we're going to close the box like this. Yes, close, sesame, come on. Thank you. Alright, so You also need some labels so people know what they're buying. So I have these made by Vistaprint. I used to make my own, and then I've got too many fragrances, too much stuff going on. So I like to leave the front of the box so the person purchasing your items can see what they're getting. So I actually put my sticker on the side. So this has my name and my phone number on it. And if you wanted to get really technical, make sure they noticed just here. I just have some other stickers. These ones are a bit of just these, and will it fit on the bottom? Might be tight squares. We'll just have a quick look, just in case you want to put one on the bottom as well. These are a little bit too long. So that scan code that I have on there will take people straight to a review page, so they can review me. But I've just cut it off just to do this, and that will hold your bottom together as well. So Bob's your uncle. You got it nicely packaged, and it's all ready to go, and your client can see what they're purchasing. So little boxes again. Spin this around. 6 centimetres or 60 mil, which however you want to work your boxes. So I just found these little boxes were the perfect size. Okay, Bob's your uncle. You've got something ready to go. They don't take all that long to make. I think it actually takes longer to put them in the box. Talk to you all later. Hope you enjoyed. Thumbs up. Bye.